Hello everyone, how are you doing? Welcome to this video review about BioRestore Complete. If you are looking for a serum to help you remove dark spots from your face, you came to the right video. BioRestore Complete is the serum you guys need to be using right now to remove any impurities or dark spots from your face that just don't want to go away. So, make sure you're watching this video until the very end in order to know everything about BioRestore Complete. If you're having doubts about it or want to know if there are any precautions or alerts, I will be sharing all of that and a little bit more today in this video, so listen up. Oh, and it's important not to miss out on any important information regarding BioRestore, as I will be leaving their official website just below this video in the description box for you. Make sure you head over there after you finish hearing what I have to say here to get to know a little bit more about it, read people's feedbacks, learn more about its natural ingredients, and so much more. So, listen up and let's talk about BioRestore now. BioRestore is actually the only formula in the world that contains 16 powerful natural ingredients that work in perfect synergy to clear your dark spots. It also protects against harmful radiation and erases all signs of damage and aging off your face. Many people say that sometimes we get dark spots on our face because of aging, but scientists have discovered that it is because of blue radiation, which is caused by technology. Sometimes it could be because of the sun, or it could be due to a lot of things, but it is completely normal if you're young and you have dark spots on your face, or if you're old and you have dark spots on your face, alright. But luckily, BioRestore Complete is here to help you out. First of all, you need to know that it is natural. It contains ingredients like sencha, which is really great and improves your skin elasticity, and it is a perfect skin rejuvenator. It even has witch hazel and horsetail that are gentle astringents and also protect against radiation. And guys, it contains jojoba oil, which is a natural moisturizer. So, it has other natural ingredients, of course. Those are just some of them. I'm going to leave the rest for you guys to figure out at the official website. But, you know, it has only natural ingredients. It has zero side effects, zero contradictions. It doesn't contain any allergens, non-GMOs. It doesn't have any toxins. I mean, this serum is completely safe for you to use on your skin, no matter what age or what type of skin you have. So, if you have skin that is too oily or too dry, you can use BioRestore Complete at any moment, alright, guys? You know, this serum, actually, it's really good in doing what it does. I mean, it is recommended that you apply this serum in the morning and before going to bed, after cleansing your face or any affected areas. And it can be also used on your neck, cleavage area, or even your hands. So, it's really cool. Not to mention that it's a serum, so just remember to, you know, use it every single day on your skincare routine. And also, you know, once you do start your treatment with it, make sure that you are committed. So, you need to use BioRestore Complete every single day until you finish your treatment because you're going to get great results out of it. You're going to get beautiful skin, healthy skin. Not to mention, guys, that, you know, it's very good in helping you to repair your skin. So, even after it removes dark spots, it's going to, you know, basically do a full hydration of your skin. And it has a lot of great benefits also. Should you need a refund, you are backed by a whole 60-day money-back guarantee. You just redirect yourself to the official website, talk to the support group, and they will help you get all of your money back. But, guys, give BioRestore Complete a chance. It's easy to apply, it's harmless, it's natural, and it will give your skin a beautiful glowing effect. It will remove any dark spots, even the most hardest one to remove that maybe you've tried so hard to remove before. But luckily, due to this natural serum, you're going to get great results.